Welcome. If you want to get the iPhone keyboard on your Xiaomi Black Shark 2 on any other Android smartphone, let's go to the Google Play Store for the first, tap on the search and type here the iPhone keyboard. Click on the keyboard for iPhone, tap on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Let's click on the open. Tap on the allow, and allow again. Now we have to wait. Click on the skip, and tap on the start. There's the ad that we have to watch. Now just close it in the right upper corner and use this enable button. Click on this switcher to turn on this keyboard. OK, go back and just tap on the switch. Choose your iPhone 11 keyboard and just go back. Yes, we want to exit this application, and when we are going to use our keyboard, tap on the start chart. As you can see, here it is, the iPhone keyboard and our emoji from the iPhone, the iOS system. You can also change here the themes, and this is really cool application. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.